Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Tuesday, 3rd September 2024, and our topic today na Take Heed to Doctrine. Our memory verse dey for 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 16. Make you watch as you dey live your life and the things wey you dey teach. Get patience, because if you dey do like this, you go save yourself and those wey dey listen to you. Our Bible reading dey for 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 2 to 5, and it talk say, make you dey preach God word and dey ready whether the time dey okay or not. Make you use patience take correct and encourage your people with better teaching, because time dey come when people no go wan hear good and better teaching again. Instead, they go follow wetin dey hungry dem to do, come dey find teacher wey go teach dem wetin dey wan hear. Dem go reject the truth and love lie story. But make you control yourself for everything. No fear to suffer for Christ. Dey do God work and dey tell others about the good news. Now the message. These days, many Christians dey look for ways to take bring down some kind teachings, come prove say those teachings dey useless. If dem dey teach for their Bible believing church say make dem no dress anyhow, for example, dem go come go look for Hebrew and Greek translation of the scripture to take prove say the teaching dey useless. This one no good o. Teachings na major part of your Christian waka. Although e no dey always dey easy to live by those teachings, na code of conduct wey go help you remain holy o. Some teaching fit no dey interesting as you dey live by am, but if you continue to dey do am, e no go too tey, you go realize say e don help you remain strong for faith. God dey always stand gidigba for teachings. In fact, for 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 16, Bible talk say one of the reasons wey God give us scriptures na so we go fit get teachings from them. Every word wey dey Bible come from God, and dem dey good to teach us the truth and to know the things wey dey wrong for our life. God word dey correct us when we dey wrong, and e dey teach us to do good things. You need to know say even though teachings wey dey scripture na the representative of God for church wey be pastor dey read am, another church pastor fit no get him own teaching from that same scripture, but as long say the person wey you call pastor fit find him own teaching for scripture, you fit live by am. The church for olden days strong well. Dem get fervent Christians because they continue to dey do the things wey their leaders, the apostles, dey teach. We fit see this one for Acts chapter 2 verse 42 wey talk say they come dey use all their time dey learn wetin the apostles dey teach. Dem dey waka, help, chop and pray together. You need to know say you no suppose choose which teaching to follow as e dey convenient for you o, but as your spirit tell you say the person wey bring the teaching read am from Bible, you need to dey convinced say the person na the spiritual leader wey God wants make you submit to be that o. Teachings wey come from Bible go set you apart from the world. Dem be great catalyst for your spiritual growth and well-being. Our major point for today's message be say teachings no dey there to imprison you, but to continue to strengthen your holiness to God. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.